that too. So that storm's coming right down that boundary. Come on. Just needs to turn a little harder to the right. Yeah, that's a 16 straight up through there. I don't know what it was to the tornado. I'm shivering.
Maybe the guys at NOAA are on a coffee break or something.
Oh my God, look at the top of that thing. That red is 50,000 feet and above. That is.
Yeah, but the western side of the state is like a desert. I'm at 7,000. No, I'm only at 6,000. Yeah.
It's all relative, right?
Yeah, well, when you think of Aspen, it's only 60 miles away, and then they're at 8,000. So.
There. That's exactly the spot it ought to be. Oh, it's up here a little farther. There we go.
Whoa! That was close.
That was,
I didn't even see that one.
Gotta get out of the hail now. Hang on. Keep watching to the right where all the lowerings are there for any tornadic activity. It could happen anytime. You know, you may get some really cool lightning strikes here.
Oh, it's warm. It's nice and warm. Warm and moist.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was a good one.
Muggy. Okay.
Those are positive clear channel bolts.
What?
Those are positive clear channel bolts.
I don't know what that means.
A positive bolt comes down straight down with no streamer, doesn't pulse. A negative bolt is about 80 million volts of electricity. Positive or 300 million volts of electricity. You get hit with a positive bolt, you're gone. You have no chance.
So how can you tell the difference?
Positive bolts, like I said, are straight down with no streamers.
Oh, okay.
And they're one quick pulse down and they look like a clear channel. A negative bolt will pulse.
Okay, I take your word for it. Oh, shit. No. Oh, my God. Yep, my friends call me crazy. Wow. Whoa, got that one.
You gotta get inside. Let's go! Don't want anybody getting killed.
Hell yeah! That'd be a bad thing.
We gotta go. We really gotta go.
That was the best lightning bolt I ever saw.
That was nuts.
Yeah.
I wish I got that on video. Oh my God.
Wow!
That was wild.
Blow this off more than likely, unless it drops a tornado right there. And head south.
Oh, I thought you took care of that.
No, not yet.
You can go back there. We won't look. We'll just stay this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go behind the truck.
Yep.
Anybody passing by will get to
Yeah, well, whatever.
family jewels. Lucky for them.
Yeah, that's real suspicious there. That's for sure. We cannot get caught by the big hail, and it's almost here. Got it? Ready? We got everybody? All right. Let's get out of the way here.
Aren't you like kind of driving right into it right now?
Oh crap! I don't know if we can do this.
We can, Roger. It's
I don't know if we can make it.
We can.
Well, it's
YOLO, YOLO.
it's-
Come on.
We may have to go back the other way to get ahead of it because it is a little too really close. We got to go 7 miles east before we can go south. The hail is right there.
Yeah.
No, it's
Is it really dangerous?
It's kind of baseballs. Yeah, it could knock out windows.